Hey, this is Jackie Peters with Blind Insight. Going to run through this encrypted machine learning notebook. So I have here a Jupyter notebook, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of some of what Blind Insight can do on encrypted data versus what you would normally do using sklearn with plain text. So just going to import my dependencies. That's going to take a few seconds. It's also warming up the server. And again, this is on 600,000 records. While that's warming up, it looks like it's just about done. We scale sublinearly with the size of the data set. So meaning that every time you 10x the data, you 7x the latency. So, and we can probably improve that. So now what we're doing is we're training a naive Bayesian classification model. And this is the data set we're training on. We have 6 features and 1 target variable. And you can see here, Blind Insight finished in 25.9 seconds. That's on the full 600,000 record training set. We achieved 1-to-1 accuracy with plain text, and we only introduced 25 seconds of overhead. Moving on to a decision tree. So again, we're able to run a decision tree. These are the sklearn results on plain text. This is the Blind Insight results on encrypted data. Because this reused the aggregates from the first cell, it didn't introduce that much extra training time. Next, we do a linear regression, which we've essentially recreated sklearn using Blind Insight aggregate queries. You can see here again, we're 1-to-1. In our 3-model comparison, here you can see on our test record set what the results are. This is on a data set with 50,000 records. Now, what if you want to do some real-time decision making? So this is how the data is stored on Blind Insight. It's all stored encrypted using different keys than I use to run the queries, but I also happen to have the data keys here so I can show you this. But up until now, everything you've seen has been done completely on encrypted data that look just like this. So these are the records it returned, and I could make this decision with or without decrypting the data. That was just for demonstration purposes. This is validation on a 50,000 record test set. As you can see, 100% agreement. Here's some sample decisions. They look pretty solid to me. I know this is a pretty simple set of features. So you can see it doesn't really cost us anything to do this. If I add a 0, FHE fails completely, but let's look at 2 million records. That's quite a difference. Certainly nothing real time can run on FHE, as we know. Blind Insight, however, we can move pretty quickly. All right, thanks.